Bullish IOST cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept IOST could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish IOST market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. IOST presentation. Web of Administration's token is a blockchain stage that expects to meet the security and versatility needs of a decentralized economy. IOST professes to have the option to handle an enormous number of exchanges each second without settling on security. The IOST group comprises of previous representatives of Google, Facebook, IBM, and Alibaba. What is IOST? The IOST token is the local cash of the IOST organization. IOST exchanges under the image IOST on digital currency trades. Who are the pioneers behind IOST? The IOST group is made out of previous representatives of Google, Facebook, IBM, and Alibaba. The venture was established by Jimmy Zhang, Terrence Wang, Beams.io, and Salmal Shah. What is the IOST guide? The IOST guide comprises of 3 stages: Everest, Olympus, and decentralization. Everest is the main period of the IOST guide and spotlights on building a versatile blockchain stage. The fundamental objective of Everest is to work on the productivity of the IOST network by upgrading exchange handling times and expanding throughput. Olympus is the second period of the IOST guide and spotlights on further developing security and administration on the IOST organization. The primary objective of Olympus is to make a more decentralized network by giving clients more command over their information and assets. Decentralization is the third period of the IOST guide and spotlights on making a genuinely decentralized economy. The fundamental objective of decentralization is to permit clients to collaborate with one another straightforwardly without going through incorporated middle people. The IOST group is continually dealing with new imaginative answers for take care of the issues of versatility, security, and decentralization that have tormented past ages of blockchain convention. Their endeavors are paying off, as the IOST mainnet is presently live and handling exchanges at high paces while keeping an exceptionally serious level of safety. Key highlights. Since its send-off, IOST has been building up some decent forward momentum in the crypto local area because of its extraordinary agreement component called Evidence of Authenticity. HOB is an imaginative agreement calculation that consolidates the best highlights of both confirmation of work and verification of stake without experiencing their particular shortcomings. Notwithstanding its state-of-the-art agreement component, IOST additionally flaunts high adaptability on account of its sharding innovation, which permits exchanges to be handled and lined up on various shards of the organization. This makes IOST one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain projects that are really versatile while staying secure and decentralized. Because of these elements, IOST has drawn in organizations with the absolute greatest names in the business, for example, Code Capital, Huobi Worldwide, OKEX, Binance Labs, Upbit Adventures, Bitmain Advancements, China Equity Gathering, IN Blockchain Adventures, Vertex Adventures China and Southeast Asia, India, Israel, Finbushi Computerized Asset among others. IOST current cost. IOST is presently worth $0. IOST has moved 8.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $17,969,231. IOST is presently positioned 143 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $145,894,577 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for IOST to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. IOST Value Forecast 2023. IOST, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The IOST cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 1 cent. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 1 cent in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. IOST is supposed to have a base worth of $0. IOST Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, IOST cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of IOST will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the IOST's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, IOST will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. IOST Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 2 cents and IOST might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. IOST is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 2 cents in 2025. IOST value expectation 2026, assuming that IOST effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans. The IOST coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, IOST will be green in 2026. The IOST is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 3 cents, with a base cost of 3 cents and a typical cost of 3 cents. IOST value forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the IOST cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 4 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, IOST has a greatest value worth of 4 cents. IOST value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 4 cents. In the event that IOST figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 5 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help IOST needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 4 cents. IOST value expectation 2029. While IOST is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 5 cents and a yearly cost close above 5 cents in 2029. IOST value forecast 2030. By 2030, IOST will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 6 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 6 cents, averaging out at 6 cents. IOST value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme IOST cost in 2031 is projected to be 7 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 7 cents. What is the IOST cost today? Today, IOST is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $145,894,577. Is IOST a wise venture? IOST ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that IOST is a decent decision of speculation. How high might IOST at any point go? The typical cost of IOST might potentially reach 1 cent this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that IOST might outperform 5 cents. What amount will IOST be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prominence of digital money and IOST, a drawn-out interest in IOST could see the value ascend to 5 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will IOST be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into